Yes, a look at all the big headlines coming in from Porban, Tamil Nadu this morning. DMK chief M.K. Stalin released a vision document, a 10-year vision document for the state on Sunday. Now, this vision document promised development in 7 sectors: economy, agriculture, water resources, education and health, social justice, urban development, as well as rural infrastructure. To get you some of the highlights, the DMK in their vision document have pledged 1,000 rupees per month to every homemaker with a ration card. At least 10 lakh jobs in the state every year is another promise. They've also spoken about an increase in per capita income to 4 lakh rupees. The DMK chief also promised running water supply and broadband connection to every village. Stalin's vision document also promised the building of 9.75 lakh concrete houses, thus bringing down huts from 16.6% to 5%. He's also spoken in the vision document about elimination of manual scavenging with the help of technology. The document was released at a mega rally in Trichy in the backdrop of larger-than-life cutouts of Dravidian icons like Periyar, like C.N. Annadurai. You also have Kalaignar M. Karunanidhi's cutout there.
தமிழ்நாட்டில் உள்ள குடும்ப தலைவிகள் அனைவருக்கும் மாதந்தோறும் 1000 ரூபாய் உரிமை தொகை வழங்க இருக்கிறோம். தமிழ்நாட்டில் உள்ள தலைவிகள், குடும்ப தலைவிகள் அனைவருக்கும் மாதந்தோறும் 1000 ரூபாய் உரிமை தொகை வழங்கவிருக்கிறோம். ரேஷன் கடைகளில் உணவுப் பொருட்களை பெறும் அனைத்து குடும்பங்களும் இதனால் பயனடையும். இதனால ரேஷன் கடைகளில் உணவுப் பொருட்களை பெறக்கூடிய அனைத்து குடும்பங்களும் நிச்சயமாக பயனடையும்.
Stalin, in that massive rally in Trichy, also launched an attack on Chief Minister Edappadi Palaniswamy, accusing him of betraying Sashikala after coming to power and becoming a slave of the BJP.
அதற்கு பின் பாஜகவை அடிமையாகி சசிகலாவை ஏமாத்தி பழனிசாமியோட ஆட்சிக்கு எதிராக வாக்களிச்சவோ பன்னீர்செல்வத்தையே துணை முதலமைச்சர் பதவி கொடுத்து பெயருக்கு வச்சுக்கிட்டார் பழனிசாமி. இப்படி கடந்த 10 ஆண்டு காலத்துல தமிழகத்தை முழுமையாக நாசமாக்கிட்டாங்க, மொத்தமா ஊருக்குலைச்சிட்டாங்க.
Let's take this across to Pramod Madhav, who's joining us live from Chennai. Pramod, good morning. Lots of highlights, of course, from M.K. Stalin's announcement of the 10-year vision document. Interesting that he's chosen to give out a 10-year vision document this time. A lot of highlights, but really the focus also on the fact that he, like the Makkal Nidhi Mayam, has now promised a salary for homemakers.
Absolutely, Akshita. It was a larger-than-life massive rally at Trichy, and the expected crowd comes up to more than 1.87 lakh people over there. And it was a grand ceremonial kind of thing that M.K. Stalin actually released his vision document. This is not a manifesto of the party that is going to be released on 11th of March, but a vision document where he spoke on 7 issues, gave 7 different pledges. And just like you mentioned, he was highlighting about improving urban and rural life structure. And as you might aware of, Tamil Nadu and larger promises is like, as freebies is not something new. But this time, homemakers are being targeted. The first one actually to talk about providing a salary kind of structure for homemakers was Kamal Hassan. And currently Stalin has also picked up the same idea, providing 1,000 rupees to homemakers in the state of Tamil Nadu. Even Kamal Hassan also has raised a question regarding it was his idea, and Stalin has only extended the thought now.
All right, Pramod, thank you for joining us with all those details. The DMK has now put out a vision document. Interestingly, it's a 10-year vision document that M.K. Stalin has announced. It has 1,000 rupees per month, which will be given to every homemaker, according to the DMK. Besides that, very ambitious target of 10 lakh jobs being created every year in the state of Tamil Nadu. They're also saying that there'll be a rise in per capita income to 4 lakh rupees. Besides that, the vision document mentions doubling of scholarships for SC and ST community candidates. Running water supply in every single village is another promise that's been made in this vision document. Besides that, they've also spoken about development in every village where internet connection will be available everywhere across the state. Concrete houses is something that the DMK is focused on, saying that they will build 9.75 lakh concrete houses and thereby ensure that slums are slowly gotten rid of. An issue that in fact has resonated a lot in Tamil Nadu is that of manual scavenging and the fact that it's still happening. MK Stalin has promised that this will be completely eliminated using technology. Doubling of healthcare staff is another big promise that's been made in this vision document. Let me highlight again that this is a 10-year vision document that the DMK released in Trichy. So those are some of the promises that the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam has put out. This was a show of strength in Trichy last night. And look at the videos on your screens of the kind of crowds that had gathered. Over 1 lakh people would come together for Stalin's speech.
தமிழக
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.